Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change data usage limit for mobile hotspot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to connection and sharing, and here click on personal hotspot and click on here connection management and click on data usage limit, and here data usage limit is defaultly set to unrestricted. That means unlimited data can be shared from your device to other devices through mobile hotspot. If you would like to set a limit for data sharing, just click on 10 GB or 5 GB or 1 GB or 500 MB or 200 MB, and minimum of 10 MB you can set. Okay, click on confirm. Okay, so in this way you can easily change data usage limit for your phone for using mobile hotspot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.